Hi friends, welcome back. It's Carrie from Stretch Chi TV, and this is your Saturday stretch. Today we're going to work on our trapezius. This is from your neck here, down through your shoulders, through the back of your arm too. It's a really amazing stretch. And this is one of the most accessible and easy stretches that we teach. It does have a little bit of a learning curve to getting the movement down. So I'm going to walk you through that today. We'll do the stretch, and then if you feel like you need any problem solving, check down in the description below for the link for the extended video. That's going to take you through some other stretches that will actually help you unlock these even more. Okay, so let's get started. Take your left arm and bring it across your body. Grab your wrist with your right hand. Okay, so it's your left arm across your body. Your right hand is right here on top of your wrist, just like this. Okay. Then you're going to add resistance between the two arms. So I'm trying to kick my left arm up towards the ceiling, and my right arm is trying to pull down towards my right hip, okay? So I've got that resistance between the two, and it doesn't have to be a lot of resistance, just a little, all right? Then I'm going to push up. So I'm letting my left arm win, and it's pushing straight up. So I can see, right? My left arm is up towards the left, and my right arm is a little bit bent. So I'm looking kind of under my right elbow, all right? If that's hard for you, you could have your right arm down a little bit, or maybe you just don't go up so high, okay? So you push up for strength, and then down for stretch. And this is resistance stretching. So you're adding resistance and movement the whole time. When you get to the bottom, drag your ear over towards your right shoulder. So it's my right ear to my right shoulder, and then look down and you'll find this neck stretch, okay? So that's what the stretch looks like. Let's walk through it one more time because I want to make sure you get this movement down. I'm taking my arm across my body, left arm, my left hand is right in front of my right hip. Then I'm going to grab my wrist with my right hand. I'm going to lift up. It's diagonal. I'm coming up to the left. So my left arm is on the left side of my head, okay? And then I'm going to use my right hand to pull down. I'm keeping resistance in my left arm, so there's some tension between the two. And I'm pulling down towards my right hip, keeping my elbow straight. When you get to the bottom of that stretch where you feel like you want to bend your elbow, don't bend your elbow. Stop there and drag your ear over to your right shoulder. And then look down if that feels good, and you'll find the stretch in your neck. Okay, now let's go up and down a handful of times. So up for strength and down for stretch. When you get to the bottom, your ear comes to your shoulder and you look down. So you're coming up to the left and down to the right. Your ear also to the right and look down. All right, let's do it again. Up for strength and down for stretch. Now if this feels really tired, if you don't feel a stretch at all, if you feel it on the other side, like you should feel it on your left side, if you feel it on your right side, or if you feel anything in your chest, the front of your shoulder, or anything just feels strange in general, then you're a candidate for the problem solving video. So check that out. The link's in the description below, okay? Let's do one more. Up for strength and down for your stretch, bringing your head to the left and looking down to find your next stretch. All right, now let's switch sides. So this is where it gets confusing because you're like, my brain. So take your right arm and bring it across your body. Take your left hand and put it on top of your wrist. Okay, so my right arm is hovering over my left hip. Okay, then I'm gonna add resistance between the two. When I push up, I'm pushing up to the right. So my right arm is straight up in the air. It's not crossing anything. It's just straight up. Then I'm going to use my left arm to pull me down with resistance. So both arms are fighting each other. It's like you're trying to pull them apart. And I'm bringing it across my body to my left hip. When I get to the bottom, right when I want to bend my elbow, but I'm not going to, don't bend it, then just pull your right ear over to your right shoulder and look down. Whew. It should be right here. Okay, maybe the outside of your arm. Depends on where you're tight, really. So we'll come up to the right for strength, and then keep resisting as you pull down to the left, bringing your hand towards your left hip, and your head also over to the left, and then look down. Now with resistance stretching, it's important that you allow your body to trust you, right? Your muscles need to trust the movements that they're working in. So if you have any pain or any discomfort at all, then you probably just need to work in a smaller range of motion. Like it would be fine to just do this much, okay? That's totally fine if it feels good to you. And I think you'll find you'll get a pretty good burn even in the small range of motion. And that means that that muscle is going to change and adapt in a good way. But if it doesn't feel good, if you want to increase that range of motion, if you want to try to remove the painful barrier, whatever that barrier is, that's when you want that extended video. So check it out. You'll like it. It's good stuff. So we're going up to the right and down to the left. And we'll do one more. Up to the right and down to the left. All right, my friends. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the other ones, because resistance stretching is super cool stuff and there aren't that many people out there doing it. So make sure that you subscribe so that you can get access to these videos. Also, it really helps me when you subscribe, because then people who are searching for information like this, just like you, will find these videos easier, because YouTube does that algorithm thing, okay? So make sure you subscribe, because that's a great way for you to pay it forward if you like these stretches. Also, if you haven't yet, check out this video for my 2x2 program. These are 2-minute stretches that you do every day for 2 weeks. That takes you through a whole body routine. And it's really easy. You don't have to wear special workout clothes. You can do them at your desk, out and about. They're all very, very simple stretches. So check it out right here. Click that link and check out that video. Okay? I'll see you next week, guys. Bye-bye.